What's up, Top Notch fam? My name is Sasha. For those of you who are new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I am making a big dinner. I am making oxtail, rice and peas, baked mac and cheese, and fried chicken. I'm not editing that out. That's what happens when you have 5 kids who like to play when you're doing the intro. But let's get started. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe because you know we got the good stuff all the time. I'm cutting my peppers. I truly don't know why that look like that. Somebody put my red pepper on the fridge. That's why it looks shriveled up like that. I'm not going to name drop, but y'all comment who y'all think did that down below.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is some garlic and ginger that I'm about to put in the pot for my rice and peas. Sorry, I don't have like a measurement my grandma taught me. But this is pimento seeds that I'm going to put inside the rice and peas. Also, a little handful, you know, a little shum. Next, this is red kidney beans, canned red kidney beans. Usually I'm supposed to make it with dried kidney beans, soak it overnight, but I'm a little lazy. Sorry, Grandma, I'll do better next time. Here I'm getting my elbow noodles ready to boil for my baked mac and cheese. We watch, we don't judge. This is very satisfying, okay? Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
fathom to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fuel